Cash App Direct Deposit arrives early when your employer sends payroll information before the official payday, and Cash App processes it as soon as the funds are released by the sending bank. By the end, you'll know how Cash App Direct Deposit works, how to set it up correctly, and what actually controls early deposit timing. Start with setup. Cash App allows direct deposit by giving you account and routing numbers inside the app. These details are what your employer uses to send your paycheck. Now explain where to find it. Open Cash App and go to the banking section. Tap on the account details to view your routing and account number. Now explain what that means. Those numbers function like a regular bank account for payroll deposits. Your employer uses them instead of a traditional bank. Now, explain the setup step. Send your Cash App routing and account number to your employer or payroll provider. They enter it into their payroll system. Now explain what affects early deposits. Cash App can make funds available as soon as they are received from the employer's bank. This depends on when the sender releases payroll files, not a manual setting inside Cash App. Now explain a common misunderstanding. There is no option to turn on or enable early direct deposit manually. Early access depends entirely on payroll timing and processing speed. Now explain timing behavior. Some deposits may arrive earlier than the official payday if the payroll file is sent ahead of schedule. Other deposits arrive on the exact payday depending on employer processing rules. Now explain verification importance. If your account details are incorrect, deposits can be delayed or returned. Double-check routing and account numbers before submitting them. Now explain troubleshooting. If your direct deposit does not arrive, first confirm with your employer that payroll has been processed. Then check your Cash App Activity tab for pending deposits. Now explain system delays. Occasionally, banks and payment processors take additional time to release funds. This can delay deposits even when everything is set up correctly. Now summarize the core idea. Cash App Direct Deposit is set up using your routing and account numbers, and early access depends on when your employer sends payroll. There is no manual early deposit switch inside Cash App. And most timing differences come from payroll processing, not the app itself. One practical next step. Go to your Cash App Banking tab and copy your routing and account number exactly before submitting it to payroll. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more clear Cash App setup guides and troubleshooting fixes.